Morning, my name is Juan Sebastián Delgado Martinez. I will present the travel itinerary Valley viewpoint. Let's go. Good. Valley viewpoint located 3.3 kilometers above the eastern mountain range and road to the cruz of Agua Azul Casanare Hill. Its greatest attraction is the area to enjoy, such as the sweet. It has a dry tropical climate between 20 and 33 degrees Celsius. In this place you will enjoy beautiful sunsets and landscapes. Valley Viewpoint does not offer accommodation. It is a place of recreation for which it does not have an lodging reservation, but in the mountains a camping area is allowed, and the town of Agua Azul Casanare there is a lounging. To enjoy a trip of 3 days and 2 nights in this region. As an activity on the first day, you can tour the surroundings of the valley viewpoint and enjoy everything the place has to offer, an area with themes, a drainage area and a walk with diversity. At night we will camp under a magical night view of the stars and the city, sharing stories and tales of the region with family and friends. For day 2 we will enjoy the surroundings of the town to photograph and record the statues and the historical and striking place. On day 3 we will take a tour of the nearby water sources and enjoy a day of reading and fun in the Cusiana River. To end the trip we will do a city tour knowing the most emblematic place of the municipality, taste the typical dishes of the region and buy souvenirs. Means of transportation. The most used means of transport to reach the valley viewpoint and to enjoy the surroundings of the municipality of Agua Azul are the following. If you like sport, you can go by bicycle, or on the contrary, the most common transport is the motorcycle and the car. Uh, Activities to do. The first day's activity consists of touring the surroundings of the valley viewpoint and enjoying everything that the place offers. For day two, we will enjoy the surroundings of the town to photograph and records the statues and the historical and striking place. On day 3 we will take a tour of the nearby water sources and enjoy um, a day of reading and fun in the Cusiana River. To end the trip, we will do a city tour knowing the most emblematic place of the municipality, test the typical dishes of the region, and buy souvenirs. Place to stay. If you want to enjoy nature in the mountains, a camping area is allowed. If, on the contrary, in the town of Agua Azul Casanare and its surroundings, it offers hotel with a swimming pool located 20 minutes away by bicycle and by private vehicle such as motorcycle and car to 10 minutes. Typical foods. There are typical dishes and current dishes of the region such as the delicious sancochos, meats, special and typical dishes, and some places with options notice and other places they offer immediate service. There are all kinds of drinks such as soft drinks, alcoholic drinks to share a game or a conversation like coffee. Costs. The cost of the tour package varies depending on the option you choose. If you choose to stay in a camping area, it is completely free. Only the cost of the service of food, drinks, and the tours that you carry out in the part of the mountains and the urban and rural parts of the town are taken, which would have a value of 200,000 Colombia pesos per person, outside of additional costs if on the other hand you wish to stay in the town with all the services including the tour. The value is 350,000 Colombia pesos per person, apart from what you have in excess for expenses. Cheer up, we will wait for you. Thank you.